The biggest problem is the domestic violence, because once they are drunk, they start fighting. They need to be aware that domestic violence is a crime. My name is Olga Masetla. I'm a sergeant in the South African Police in Germiston. I'm a social crime prevention coordinator. You do community project, you interact, you are more involved with the community. I tell them all the time that it starts small, they need to report it. Yes, they report it. We started with the Gokos. The Gokos started very small with the aerobics to keep them safe, because, you know, the Gokos were the victims of rape, they were the victims of crime. So now we formed such a support group. 1, yes, 2.
Ka dikgothatso tseo a re kgothatsang tsona, o a re traina, o re fa dikeletso tsa bophelo. The calls that I'm getting from the community that she's giving all, and in most of the projects I'm there myself, I saw her uniqueness and love of what she's doing.
So ngicela ukuthi niziprotect nani nama rights, wonke umuntu nama rights, kufana nabo baba banama rights, nabo mama banama rights. Love what you're doing. You must love your work. You must make an impact. Whatever you are doing must have an impact. Know that I'm proud of what I'm doing. You must be very proud.
These are South African heroes.